These do-it-yourself gold poster board crafts are so easy to make, they'll have your friends thinking that you are a pro. Hey everyone! Did you know that with just a simple piece of gold poster board, you can transform your basic crafts into dazzling art pieces? Seriously, it's like adding a sprinkle of magic to your do-it-yourself projects. Stick around and I'll show you how. This shiny material isn't just for making signs. It's super versatile and can elevate any ordinary project into something extraordinary. Now this is an affordable material that can make your crafts look high-end. I got this piece of gold poster board from Hobby Lobby for 99 cents, cheaper than a Dollar Tree. And I just used a small piece of this poster board to make all of these projects. So there's quite a few different things throughout this video, so stick around to see all the different projects that have been made. This is an embossed folder used on this to do the background. So it embossed very nicely and made a stunning background for this card. And it's one of a kind, and it looks just so high-end. Now this next one I did here, this card is also a background, but kept it very simple, just plain simple cutout. And I put some die cut figures on top of it, and I heat embossed the sentiment. This next one a little further, and I die cut a sentiment and that clock on top and put on here. Just kept it really basic and simple, nice clean lines. This poster board is great for doing clean lines and detailed projects. This is a detailed die cut that I have here, and I used to cut it out on a poster board, and look at those nice sharp lines. And this poster board is thick enough that it doesn't bend around, and it keeps its shape very well. And here you can see it on a card glued down, and it just makes for a stunning end result. Very pretty, has a really neat touch to it. This one was fun to do. This is ink stamped and die cut. And it does take a little longer for your ink to dry on this gold poster board. So you just have to be patient with it. And so after it dried, I die cut these little figures out and added to the card. It just made it so adorable. And add a little tag here. I stamped and heat embossed the sentiment on this. And along the bottom here, you see I put this little bit of gold poster board lace on there. So I used it 3 different ways on this card. Turned out so cute. All right, this is an ATC card, an artist trading card that I made with one of the cutouts left over. Just put it on one of the cards, and look at the stunning result on that. That gold accents just really give this card a little extra shine and interest. So that would be a really fun one to trade coming up. And to work on a little junk journaling here, this is a file folder that I decided to put a little extra visual interest on and put these gold letters on here and the gold flower. And it goes, put it right on top of the cardboard in the stamp design. And I had stamped out some extra ones too. Some little things, stamps on these die cuts are really easy to cut out. Little tags, little tickets, little numbers, little keys and locks. And it's nice and sturdy. These are very easy to cut out and glue down because they just keep their form so nicely. See, those are heat embossed also. A lot of versatility with these. Just gives it a lot of extra interest and really took it up a notch. And then I layered some die cut sentiments also. This one's layered on some vinyl, and the other one's layered on some paper and cardstock. So different ways you can accent. So this is some miscellaneous things I cut out, and I didn't put them on any projects yet. This little piece of poster board here. And also I cut out this little backing here. I wanted to show you how intricate these cuts were. And that poster board was great for this. It didn't tear. It just punched out all the little notches just like it's supposed to. Now look at this little lizard here. A lot of intricate punch outs on this one too. This gold poster board was perfect for this type of design. Now these little circles here are great for floral elements on cards. I haven't put on a project yet, but I do have a few in mind. And this is going to look really pretty with flowers all around it on a card. And they're so thin and delicate, but look how nicely they hold their shape. This poster board is perfect for this. All right, did a few junk journal tags. These are nice and sturdy and they hold up very well. It's white on the back, so it's good for putting your journaling notes on. And it has such a visual, cool interest on the front. Here's a couple of more tags. These also be great to put on gifts, on presents, and anything that you want to decorate a little bit of extra pizzazz to. Let me show you this project here. This is a die cut for a 3D gift box, and put it on gold foil really gives it a little extra stylishness that really goes a long ways. And you can even see it put the score lines in here. It makes it easy to fold this when it has the score lines in and less likely to rip. So here it is all folded together and tied together with a ribbon. Isn't that adorable? Turned out to be just a cute little box. Now I'm just going to lay across here different things that I had made out of this small little piece that I had cut off from this poster board. There's a lot left over for a lot more projects coming up. I'm just going to lay them across here, let you see them again, hopefully give you some ideas. So I want you to kind of get your creative juices going, figure out ways that you can use this poster board that I haven't done already, and let me know what you use it for. And definitely leave a comment below. Hit that subscribe button and that like button. Let me know what you think. But this poster board is such a great bargain, and it's so versatile, and it can do so many projects. But there's so many more things out there that I haven't thought of that I want you to tell me, so I can do some more of these projects in the future. So tell me what your favorite project was from today's video, and drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more creative do-it-yourself ideas. Thanks for watching, and I can't wait to see what you've created.